My name is Chae Rin, and I'm going to talk about our precious water. Water is crucial for survival. This liquid water is vital for humans, animals, and plants to live. The human body is made up of 2/3 water. We could go for a month without food, but you will die after 3 to 5 days without water. About 97% of the water on Earth is found in oceans and seas and is too salty for us to drink. Only 3% of the Earth's water that is fresh is found in rivers, lakes, and glaciers. The 2% is in solid form, which we can't use right now. That leaves only 1%, that means we can use it now. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is the journey water takes as it moves from land to sky and back to land. The water that comes from the river, lake, and ocean gets heated up by the sun. Then the water turns into a water vapor. After that, it goes up to the sky. This is called evaporation. Transpiration is how the roots, leaves, and the plant soak the water. Then they sweat it out. Condensation is when the water vapor rises up and meets cold air and becomes cloud with droplets. When the cloud gets too heavy, the rain, sleet, hail, or snow falls down. This is precipitation. Collection is when rain comes back to earth by precipitation. The rain can go back to the river by the groundwater. When the water gets saved in the well or the ground, that is percolation. Percolation means water sinking through the soil. When this ends, it happens again. Water cycle is continual. Humans use water in their everyday lives. Water can be used in many ways too. Usually, we drink water to survive. We can also use water to wash, such as washing clothes, brushing teeth, and having a shower or bath. Some people use water for transporting by boats. Water can be used for entertainment, like swimming. We can use water for fishing too. When there's a fire, water can be used. Growing crops can be a part of how people use water. Lastly, we can use water for electricity. Today, many people mistreat water. When people use slurry, there will be many algae, which will cause less oxygen. It also poisons sea life if there is an oil spill from the oil tankers. This will poison the sea life. If people dump garbage into the water, it will definitely pollute the water, and the animals and the humans that drink from there will be at the risk of contamination. They can die by the toxic water too. The factories dump dirty water into the river without filtering or making it clean. This will affect the sea life again, and it will harm the people and the animals who eat the fish. Water is a limited resource, which means it'll run out eventually. If we waste and pollute our water, we won't have enough water to live. So, humans depend utterly on water to survive. We can't waste and pollute our planet's precious water like throwing garbage in the water. Water must be conserved because water is vital. At home, I try not to waste water by taking a short shower rather than a bath. I also try not to litter in the water when I'm outside. To protect water, what can you do?